Hello lovelies, this is Ambassador Stars. Today we want to show you how to make our homemade curry powder recipe. Curry powder is a mixture of blend of spices with a bright golden yellow color and a complex flavor. So let me show you the spices we used in our curry powder. In a clean pan, you had your coriander seeds, some fennel seeds, some black pepper. I'm adding in my cumin seed at this time, some dry parsley, fenugreek seed, some cloves, anise seeds, bay leaves, some star anise, oregano, and rosemary. You can decide to minus or plus your spices. So now you toast inside the frying pan for just 2 minutes. You don't roast it, you toast it. And make sure it doesn't get burned, otherwise it's going to be bitter. So you just toast it around to get the flavors out. So now I added it to my grinder. So I'm going to be blending that onto powder. So we have this blender for sale at Ambassador Stores. So now this is the work the grinder has done. You can see it has turned it to powder. So you bring it back to your frying pan. So when you add it now, so I'm bringing in my ginger powder and some paprika for color. I'll show you how I made that as well, and some turmeric powder. So now the turmeric powder is actually what gives it that yellow or golden color. You understand? That is where the turmeric comes in. So you're going to be using a lot of turmeric to get the ratio of the yellow color. So you toast that again for another 1 minute inside your pan. Now you sieve to filter. So now I want to get the powder one out. Then it's going to remain the shaft only. So you don't pour this away. We're going to be using it as well. So this is now our fine curry powder. So that is how we were able to achieve our curry powder. So our curry powder is ready. So let me tell you the benefit of a curry powder. It has potent anti-inflammatory properties, may improve health generally, may have anti-cancer effects, contain powerful antioxidant. So if you love this recipe, follow, like, and share my videos. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.